living organisms classified? As there are millions of living organisms on Earth, studying each of them is impossible. Therefore, scientists have a devised mechanism to classify all living organisms. These methods of classification are based on rules and principles that allow identification, nomenclature, and finally classification of an organism. Therefore, therefore, the biological classification helps in revealing the relationship between various organisms. It also helps in making study of organism easy and organized. Question number 2. Why are the classification system changing every now and then? Answer. Millions of plant, animal, and microorganisms are found on Earth. Many of these have been identified by the scientists, while any new species was still being discovered around the world. Therefore, to classify these new discovered species, new system of classification have to be devised every now and then. This creates the requirement to change the existing system of classification. Question number 3. What different criteria would you choose to classify people that you meet often? 14 student. Number 1. Answer. On the basis of sex, classification will result in the formation of two major groups, boy and girls. Number 2. Further classified on the basis of their names. It is possible that more than one have a surname. 3. Number. So further classified on the basis of surname, since there is still chance that more than one have a same surname. Number 4. Final level of classification will be based on the roll number of each student. Question number 4. What do you learn from identification of individual and population? Answer. The knowledge of characteristic of an individual or its entire population help in identification of similarities and dissimilarity among the individual of same kind or between different type of organism. It helps the scientific to classify organism in various categories. Question number 5. Given below is the scientific name of mango. Identify the correctly written name. 1. Magnifera indica. 2. Magnifera indica. Answer. 2. Magnifera indica is correct because scientific name starts with a small letter. Question number 6. Identify a taxon. Give same example of taxon at different hierarchical level. Answer. Each unit of category of classification is termed as taxon. It presents a rank. For example, the basic level of classification is species followed by genus, family, order, class, phylum or division in ascending order. The highest level of classification is known as kingdom. Question number 6. Can you identify the correct sequence of taxonomical categories? 1. Species, order, phylum, kingdom. Genus, species, order, kingdom. Species, genus, order, kingdom. Answer. So A and C is correct. Question number 8. Try to correct all the correctly accepted meaning for the word species. Discuss with your teacher. The meaning of species is case of higher plant and animal on one hand and bacteria on the other hand. Answer. Species can be defined as a group of similar organisms that are capable of interacting under nature conditions to produce fertile offspring. Species is the basic taxonomical rank, a group of similar individuals that are respectively isolated from a species. Species can also be defined as a group of individuals that share the same gene pool. Question number 9. Define and understand the following term. 1. Phylum. It is the primary division of kingdom. 2. It is include one or more related classes of animals. 3. In plant extent of phylum, the division is used. 2. Number class. It consisting of one or more related order. For example, the class Mammalia included many orders. Number 3. Family. It containing one or more related genus. In plant, families are categorized on the basis of vegetative and reproductive feature. Number 4. Order. Order is a taxonomical group containing one or more families. For example, the order Carnivorous include more families. Number 6. Genus. Number 5 is genus. Genus is taxonomical group including closely related species. For example, the genus Salunum include many species. Nigrum, Melania, Tubersoma. It is. Question number 10. How is the key helpful in the identification and classification of an organism? Answer 1. Key is the another and that help in identification of plant and animal species. Number 2. These key are based on similarity and dissimilarity in character, generally in a pair called couplet. 3. Each statement in a taxonomic effect to as a lead. Number 4. For categorizing each taxonomical rank, different key are used. Number 5. Key is also useful in identification unknown organism. Number 6. Key are of two types. One is indexed key, 2 is bracketed key. Number 1. Indexed key provide the sequence of choice between two or more statements. Number 2. Bracketed key a pair category character and are used. Question number 11. Illustrated the taxonomical hierarchy with suitable example of a plant and animal? Answer is the arrangement of various taxa in a hierarchical order is called taxonomical hierarchy. In this species is present at the lower level, where kingdom is present at a higher level.